Hey Travis kiddos, let's do some number talk slash math review since we can't really talk back and forth right now. It's not exactly a number talk, but the same kind of things we usually do when we are doing that. I have some shapes, I have some subitizing and more, and I have some balance both sides for today. Also, happy spring again, and happy Friday. Both fantastic, awesome, love them. Okay, so let's start with shapes. See if you can figure out my shape. My first shape has 6 faces. Each face is rectangular. My shape can stack. My shape can slide, but my shape cannot roll. What's my shape? My shape is a rectangular prism. Both of these are rectangular prisms. All the sides, all 6 of them, are rectangles. This one has squares as well as some of the, faces, not sides. But 2 of the faces are squares. But remember, a square is a rectangle. It's a special kind of rectangle that has all equal sides. So rectangular prisms, both of them, even though they're not the exact same type of one. So 2 rectangular prisms for you. Next shape is flat. It is closed. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. What's my shape? It's a triangle. So 3 sides, 3 corners or vertices, and it is flat and closed. So there are no open sides. Next one. It is a 3-dimensional or solid shape. It has 1 circular face or 1 circle face, the flat side. It can slide, it can roll, and it cannot stack. What's my shape? It's a cone. So a cone has 1 flat circular face. It can roll. It doesn't roll in a circle, or it rolls in a circle. It doesn't really roll in a straight line. Kind of rolls around this point at the end. But a solid shape here, a cone. All right, let's practice subitizing. So knowing how many dots when I show you, you can count them quickly in your head. You might just know them right away. That really is subitizing, is just knowing them right away. And then, or you might figure it out by different, grouping together different dots. Okay, ready? Remember, you have to watch closely because I only flash it. How many dots? 6. So this one you might recognize from dice. You might also see 3 and 3. No, that's 6 or 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6. Either way, maybe you quickly counted them all in your head. Think about them and quickly count them. However you did it, awesome. Ready for the next one? How many? Probably didn't have to even count that one. Just 1. Next. One's a little tougher. It's kind of like our 6, right? But instead of 2 rows of 3, there are 3 rows of 3. So 3 and 3 and 3 is 9. So you might have seen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 3 and 3 like the 6, and then 7, 8, 9. Maybe you saw it a different way. Maybe you saw the 3 rows of 3. However you saw it. Good job. Next one. How many dots? 8. So this is also, you have the 6 and then 7, 8. Or maybe since we just did 9 was all 3 rows of 3, but missing 1 in the middle, you might know that 1 less than 9 is 8. So 1 less, we're missing that 1 in the middle, is going to be 8. Now, I'm going to change up the game a little bit, see if you can get it. I'm going to make it a little harder. I'm going to flash 2 cards. I want to see if you can see, figure out how many dots, and then add them together pretty quickly. Okay? You guys ready? Okay, I'm going to flash them both. One more time. So, how many? We had a card of 6 and a card of 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, next one. Ready? One more time. So we have a card of 8 and a card of 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay, let's see if I can make it mega here. Okay, see if you can get it. I showed you 3 cards that time. Let me show you again. How many dots? So this time I have a 6. Sorry if my fingers were covering it. A 3 and a 1. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 more is 10. Maybe you thought of putting the 3 and 1 together to make 4, and you knew 6 and 4 made 10. Maybe you did the 1 and the 6 together and made 7, then added the 3 more to make 10. However you did it, awesome. Okay, one more thing for us to cover. So balance both sides. So this one, we have to make both sides equal or balanced. They have to be the same. Remember, the whole side on each side of the equal sign has to be the same all together. Okay, so first one, 4 plus 3 equals blank plus 1. Where would you start with this one? I would start with 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So I'm going to show 4 plus 3 is 7. Now, a common misconception would be say, okay, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Cool, I did it, done. But here's the tricky part. This whole side has to equal 7. Does this whole side equal 7? 7 plus 1? Nope. That's 8. Whoa. So 8, is 8 equal to 7? Nope. So we have to be really careful on this. Remember, the whole side has to equal the whole other side. So we know this whole side is 7. So this whole side has to equal 7. So 7, something plus 1 is going to make 7. So 1 less than 7 goes here. What is it? It's going to be 6. So 4 plus 3 equals 6 plus 1 because they both make 7, and 7 is equal to 7, or 7 is the same as 7. Let's try another one. So how about this? Now I put in plus and minus on this time, on this one. So there's addition and subtraction. So where would you start here? Would I do 8 minus something equals 2? Or would I figure out my whole side first? I'm going to figure out this whole side first. So I can figure this out already because I have both numbers in the spots. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now, I know this whole side needs to equal 5. So 10 minus something, is going to make 5. So what goes in there? Let's see. So 10 minus something is going to equal 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. Let's see if I can make it even more challenging for you. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's make it tougher. So, So, I'm starting with an unknown, and I put 3 numbers on the other side. So, let's see. I'm not going to start on this side because I don't have enough information. Start over here. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So, since we've practiced adding 3 numbers, I'm going to add 2 numbers together, 8. Okay? Then I'm going to go even a step farther and split up my 4 because I know I can make a 10 somewhere here. I have 8. How many more do I need to make a 10? So 8, 9, 10. So I need 2. If I split 4 up into 2 and 2, there we go. So now I can make a 10 here. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and 2 more would be 12. So this whole side, I'm going to kind of go woo all the way around. This whole side is 12. Now, I know this whole side needs to be 12. So, something plus 3 equals 12. What is that? What? Plus 3 equals 12. See if you can figure it out. I can work backwards to figure it out. So if I start at 12 and take away 3, just like our fact families here, so 12, 11, 10, 9. So 9 plus 3 equals 4 plus 4 plus 4. Can I make it even more challenging? What if I change this to a minus? Something minus 3 equals 4 plus 4 plus 4. We've already figured this out. I'm not going to make you figure it out again. If you want to find a different way to figure it out, go for it. But let's see. Something minus 3 equals 12. 9 minus 3, before I erase all the way, 9 minus 3. Is that still going to make 12? 9, 8, 7, 6. Nope, not going to work. So, something minus 3 equals 4 plus 4 plus 4. So this whole side needs to make 12. So I can start at 12 and add 3 more to get to my starting point. So 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's check that out. So if I start at 15 and I take away 3, 15, 14, 13, 12. Hey, I end up at 12, and 12 is equal to 12. So there we go, a whole bunch of review in a pretty short amount of time. You can make up your own balance both sides. You can work on your own shapes, and you can work on your own subitizing, flashing numbers, and adding them together quickly. Have fun, happy learning.